See, I think the security of women was compromised, especially during the foundation day week, because there were a lot of outsiders. It was too crowded. There was no police or bouncers as such or any guards. We only had the regular guards that we have at the gates, and they were not even able to check the IDs or the passes because it was too crowded. So I personally left because I thought it was not safe for me to be there. So I think you can say that it is compromised in certain situations.
Yeah, Jamia generally provides a safe and supportive environment for women. But recently we had an experience in the foundation day week. On the last day, we both were going to attend it, like Nizami brothers were coming. But there was a total hype built up for that event, and we were very excited. Like in what we experienced on that day and how we made it out alive. And walking, it was a hell that day. Or we think कि outsiders should not be allowed in such an college event because the college students were not able to attend it, and there was a huge ruckus because of a huge crowd. There was a lot of mismanagement, and we had various security issues.
And if you are allowing outsiders in such an event, you should have organized it in a larger place to accommodate all of them, like in the stadium. And we both like went inside, but so much rush was there, we both were like suffocating. So I don't know how we both made out alive, but we were still excited to attend the event. So we went from another way, and then there we got stuck. Like it was such a horrible experience. We were not moving; the crowd was moving us. So that was a really dangerous experience of my life. I thought I was going to die. So that was
वैसे Jamia is our comfort space. We come every day here for positivity, and we love Jamia. But this is a negative thing, and Jamia should work on it.
So yeah, Jamia provides actually a safe environment, especially to the women, because they are the security guards who always ask for their identity card. But when it comes to their foundation day, I didn't feel any safe environment because the people from Shine Bagh and Batlaw, they were all overcrowded there, and they were like passing, some uncomfortable comments on the women passing through them. So I think Jamia should focus on this. Like if they are arranging any special occasion, they should hire more bouncers so that women's safety can be ensured by them.
In my opinion, Jamia is trying its best, but it is not up to the mark. Like there is physical security, I guess, but there isn't social security, or like I still think that women can't express themselves freely in this campus, and that is the most important thing. And especially in the foundation day, I think I heard some stuff which should not have happened. So there is a lot is lacking.
Yeah, I actually feel very safe in the campus. Even when I have stayed till really late in the campus, I feel very safe in this environment. It is fairly lit up, and I don't feel scared normally. But I do have to mention that during the foundation days, we have to mention that there were a lot of outsiders in the campus, which actually made me feel a little bit, I don't know, uncomfortable in the campus. And I think in the coming years, the university should work on that and focus on how to make the students and especially the female students more comfortable